Hi, Royce Eddings, Royce Construction. We're going to show you around a kitchen we just finished remodeling as part of a remodel of the entire house, actually. We've got the peninsula over here with what's called a waterfall, which is running the granite down to the floor. Island cabinet with the cooktop in it, range hood above. All the cabinets go up to the 9-foot ceiling, all soft close drawers and doors. There's a bench here on the end of the island that'll have cushions on it. Again, let's take a look around the kitchen here. All the cabinets, lots of cabinets here, and a lot of trick features inside some of these cabinets as well. Who doesn't want a nice sturdy cutting board that's mounted over the pull-out trash can so you can just wipe your cuttings and shavings, clippings, whatever, you just wipe them right off into the trash can. Glass in the upper cabinets. Nice tile job with a tiled border going around the kitchen window. Lights beneath the cabinets. Another unique feature is the coffee bar. These doors slide back. Slide back out of the way. You have your coffee pot in there. The chalkboard on the side of the refrigerator cabinet made to look like a sliding barn door. Few owner touches here. Got a lot of good ideas. So once again, thank you for joining me. Royce Eddings, Royce Construction in Atascadero, California. We work all over San Luis Obispo County. And this is our YouTube channel, Royce in the House, and our playlist, Royce Construction. We have other playlists as well. Thanks for joining me. We really appreciate it. And that's what's going on in Royce's world today.